Hey friends, have you ever seen your parents order food using an app or your teacher use Zoom for online class? That's digital transformation at work. Today, we'll explore how businesses are becoming smarter and faster by using technology. Don't worry, we'll keep it super simple and fun. Let's start with a clear definition. Digital transformation is when businesses use technology to make their work better, faster, and easier. Imagine turning an old bicycle into an electric one. It's still a bike, but now it zooms. In business, this means using computers, the internet, and apps to work smarter. A famous quote by Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft, says, "Every company is a software company. You have to start thinking and operating like a digital company." Let's look at some cool examples. Before, you go to the store to buy shoes. After digital transformation, you tap your phone and the shoes arrive at your doorstep. Before, a restaurant writes down orders on paper. After, they use tablets to take orders and send them straight to the kitchen. Even schools are using digital tools like Google Classroom and smartboards. Why it matters. So, why is digital transformation so important? It saves time, it reduces mistakes, it makes customers happy, and it helps businesses grow faster. Imagine a company as a snail before tech. Now with digital tools, it becomes a cheetah. Businesses that don't change may fall behind, just like people who still use floppy disks in the age of cloud storage. How do businesses digitally transform? Here's how businesses go digital, step by step. Look for problems like slow service or messy paperwork. Find tech tools like apps, software, or robots. Train the team so everyone knows how to use the new stuff. Keep improving, because technology is always growing. It's kind of like upgrading a video game. You start at level 1, but keep adding cool new powers. So remember, digital transformation equals using technology to make businesses smarter. It turns slow, old ways into quick, awesome systems. It helps companies grow, compete, and shine in the digital world. Famous companies like Amazon, Netflix, and Tesla have all gone through digital transformation. And that's a big reason why they're winning today. Now it's your turn. Would you like to run a tech-smart business one day? Like this video, subscribe for more fun business lessons.